the channel. Today's video is going to be super short, to the point. I wanted to talk about home remedies, skin care. A lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, sending me DMs and Facebook and whatnot, कि clear skin के लिए without using chemicals, what else can you use? So these are tried and tested. I'll tell you, sabziyan, vegetables. These are easily available in every single household. Um, Number one, this is one of my favorites, is a potato, a raw potato, kacha aloo. Um, what you can do is wash it properly. इसको grate करके, whatever the water comes out of it, squeeze it and put it on your face. This potato works as a bleach, so this is really good for your dark circles, pigmentation, dark spots, जो acne spots रह जाते हैं. If you have a darker upper lip, a darker chin, a darker forehead, hyperpigmentation on the sides of your cheeks, of course under eye circles like I manage, your elbows, your knees, anywhere that is dark and you want to lighten it, this is amazing. I've tried it and tested it. A lot of people do it. Look it up online if you want to know a little bit more details on it. This really works. But immediately काम नहीं करेगा. You'll have to give it at least a month or so for it to show results on your skin. But this truly works. Okay, after the potato, the next best thing is using a tomato. Any tomato. You don't have to grate this like you have to grate the potato. All you can do is slice it, cut it sliced, open, and you can just rub it on your face. This helps in removing the pigmentation, the dark spots, tan. It also works as a good tan removal. So this is also really good. Eating tomato is also good for your health. Khoon banta hai isse, and it's good for your blood also. It cleans it, it purifies it. It's really, really good. A lemon. A lemon is also very good in removing tan and darkness from your skin. So be it your elbow, कहते हैं ना elbow पे नींबू रगड़ लो on your knuckles, underarms, your knees, your dark spots on the face, or hyperpigmentation. Just be careful around the eyes. Don't do it so close to the eye area, just a little around the area. This also works. It's really, really good. ये थोड़ा burn करेगा if you have tan on the face or anywhere on the skin. Usually on the face ये burn करता है if you have tan, but that means it's working for you. So this is also good. And last but not the least is an avla or an amla, whatever you call it. You don't rub this on the skin, but you know how they say कि आंवले का पानी पीना चाहिए, or you get it ready made in the market. I don't like the ready-made products that you get in the market. The reason being, they add a lot of other stuff to it. It's just, I'm not sure if that is even good for your health or for your skin. The benefits of avla is it purifies your skin from within. So it gives you a natural glow. You have a clear, healthier skin. It helps with the darkness of your skin, the pimples. It purifies your blood. So what you need to do with this is grate it. इसको कद्दूकस कर लो properly. Remove the seed once you're done, and add in a cup of water. जो कद्दूकस किया हुआ आंवला है उसको एक गिलास पानी में डाल के रात को रख दो. Soak it overnight, cover it. In the morning वो पानी को अच्छे से छान के पी लो. Strain the water and drink that water every single morning, empty stomach. That will do wonders for your skin. And winters is the best time to get this because your winters में ही मिलते हैं. The season has started. Get your hands on these. I don't trust the bottle avla drink, the artificial ones. I just don't prefer them. You may not like the taste initially in the beginning, but think of the health benefits that you get with it. Guys can try it, men, children, whosoever has skin issues. Go ahead and try all of these. They work wonders. And that is it for the videos. Keep an eye out for the next one. And yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye-bye.